हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th इंग्लिश की बुक बी हाइव का चैप्टर 1 द फन दे हैज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स डिड मार्गिया एंड टॉमी हैव? आंसर, मार्गिया एंड टॉमी have mechanical teachers to teach. In that mechanical teacher there was a slot where Margia has to put her homework or the test papers for checking, and the teacher calculated the marks in no time. There are no subject teacher, there is only one mechanical teacher which teaches all the subjects. Question number 2. Why did Margia's mother send for the country inspector? Answer, as the mechanical teacher has been giving test after test to Margia of geography, she had been doing worse and worse until her mother shook her head sorrowfully and finally sent for the country inspector to check the mechanical teacher is all right or not. Question number 3. What did he do? Answer, the country inspector came with a whole box of tools with tails and wires in it and take the teacher apart to check it. As the geography sector is little too quick, he slowed it down and fixed the setting to a 10 years average level. Question number 4. Why was Margia doing badly in geography? What the country inspector do to help her? Here is the answer. Margia was doing badly in geography because his geography sector is little too quick. As a result, Margia was unable to cope up with the explanation and thus was doing badly in geography. But country inspector helped Margia by slowing down the geography sector and fixed it to a average 10 years level. Question number 5. What has one happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer, once in Tommy mechanical teacher history sector was blanked out completely and the country inspector took Tommy's teacher nearly a month and there is no source for Tommy to study. So he passed all the time playing games and having fun. Question number 6. Did Margia have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer, yes, Margia have regular days and particular hours to study because her mother believed that the student must be taught regularly and thus fixed the mechanical teacher for regular days except Saturday and Sunday. So Margia studied all 5 days at a particular time in her virtual classroom. Question number 7. How did Tommy describe old kind of schools? Here is the answer. Tommy described the old kind of schools such that there are separate buildings where teachers used to teach students and every student get same kind of homework, so it is easy to help one another with the homework. Question number 8, the last question. How does he describe old kind of teachers? It is the answer. Tommy also describes old kind of teachers in his manner that they were not robots, they were men, and there are different teachers for different subjects, and they teach every student the same thing, and teachers do not live in our houses, they have separate buildings. They react to everyone's act while teaching. I hope guys you like this video and thank you for watching. Bye.